welcome to Yoga with Win. Today I'll be teaching you on how to get into Warrior 3. So grab your mat and let's get into it.
Begin with your feet hip distance apart and your arms at your sides in Tadasana. Take a deep breath in, smoothly and calmly, bringing your awareness to the present moment. Exhale as you hinge at your hips, melt your chest into your thighs, and fold forward. Press your palms into your shins and lift yourself halfway. As we are here to learn how to get into Warrior 3 pose, remember, learning to concentrate and balance requires inner strength and humility. Do not be afraid to fall. Grab both ends of your elbows with opposite palms, swaying side to side, and release all tension from your neck and upper body. On your next inhale, place both your palms onto the mat in front of you, palms shoulder distance apart, and grounding yourself equally on all fours. Gently press your weight into your right foot. Inhale as you lift your left leg as you bring your body parallel to the ground. Exhale, flex your left foot and reach out through your heel. Inhale, slowly bring both the feet together. Exhale as you fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant both palms onto the mat. Inhale, lift your right leg as you draw your abdominal muscles in toward your spine. This will help to protect your lower back. Exhale, work toward hinging at the hips to lower the arms and torso down towards the floor. Inhale, plant your palms onto the mat. Exhale as you fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Make adjustments if you need. And on your next exhale, fold forward. Slowly come onto your fingertips. Inhale and raise left leg up, slowly and gently. And when you feel the balance, launch onto your fingers off the ground and bring your palms together at your heart center. Maybe gazes at the floor a few feet in front of your body. In case you lose your balance like I just did, don't shy away from taking a pause and getting back to your breath by coming into any resting position. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And whenever you're ready to bring out the warrior in you, get up and get into Tadasana. Ground yourself as you take a deep breath in. On your next exhale, plant both your palms down. Inhale, lift left leg up. Exhale as your feet come together. Inhale, lift right leg up. Exhale as the feet come together. Now that you have prepared your legs and spine, lift left leg up and come onto your fingertips. And maybe you bring your palms together in prayer position also known as Anjali Mudra. Come on to your fingertips. Inhale, lift right leg up, and maybe you bring your hands together at heart center in Anjali Mudra. Come on back to your fingertips, bringing your feet together. Exhale as you fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, fold forward. Slowly come back up into Tadasana. From Tadasana, lift your left feet up as you extend your arms forward, bringing your body and arms parallel to the ground, really grounding in your right foot. Inhale back to Tadasana. Inhale, lift your right feet up as you extend your arms forward. Warrior 3 pose improves balance, memory, and concentration. Exhale, relax the toes of your standing foot and strongly engage your leg muscles. Inhale as you come back to Tadasana. Let's try this asana one more time. Lift your left leg up, as this time focus on the stretch and not on the lift. It doesn't matter how high your leg goes. Exhale back to center. Inhale, lift right leg up. Warrior pose battles inner weakness and wins focus. Practice this pose when your mind is wavering. Inhale back to center. You will notice that there is no war within you. You are on your own side. You are your own strength. Thank you for joining me in today's session. I'll see you on your time. Namaste.